Hi, welcome to my channel. This is my follow-up after Stamp Wars video. Stamp Wars was held on Saturday night on Nancy Stamp's YouTube channel. Please head over to watch the replay. Our sponsor was Blue Knight Rubber Stamps. Our special guests were Call Me Crafty Al and Star Patrick. We have a 15% off coupon code for stamps, dies, and stencils using code SW26. Code expires midnight Eastern Time on April 29th, 2026. I'll have all this information listed in my description box below. Again, Blue Knight Rubber Stamps was our sponsor. They sent each of us a Blossoming Branches dies stamp set and the dies that go with the stamp set, as well as the new encouragement stamp set. These sentiments are offering phrases of encouragement. There are 7 different sentiments. And then the beautiful new Misty Moons and Pastel Skies papers. There are 25 papers, designer papers, and the first one I'm going to show you are the Misty Moons. You get 5 of each design, and on the back of each design is a bonus design. The back of each is exactly the same. So you've got the blue, light blue skies for the background on each one of these. So the different design patterns I'm showing you here. And these are again from Blue Knight Rubber Stamps. They were our sponsor. And if you're not familiar with Stamp Wars, I will tell you a little bit about it here in a moment. You will find links below in my description box to the Stamp Wars, as well as links to our guests' social media, including Call Me Crafty Al and Star Patrick, and of course Nancy Stamps. And the Stamp Wars was on her channel on YouTube. This one is called Pastel Skies. Again, you're getting 5 sheets of each of these pattern papers. And on the back, you have this beautiful rainbow pastel cloudscape. And I'm just going through and showing you all these. These are 6x6 papers. Any of the Blue Knight Rubber Stamp silhouette stamps would look beautiful on these papers, as well as other stamps from Blue Knight would look great on any of these pages. This one reminds me of Cotton Candy Skies. All right, let's go ahead and get started with our cards for today. I took and I die cut the Blossoming Branches die. This is one of the smaller. You get 2 smaller Blossoming Branches in the stamp sets. The dies are sold separately, but I created a template, and this is what Call Me Crafty Al did during our live Stamp Wars. So this is one way of getting the alignment spot on. And so what you do is you go ahead and make your die cuts ahead of time or first. And then you want to use a stamp platform, and you want to take your stamp and line it up in the right spot. And then you can go ahead and do this like mass stamping, die cutting. It's a great process for getting a lot of them stamped. And then now once they're stamped, you can go ahead and color them. The other way is to color them first and then stamp second. This is the larger, and here you see I'm lining it up first into the template. You can kind of feel it like lock in into those little valleys. It's nice to do it this way. And I'm going to go ahead and you'll see how perfectly aligned that is. And I do like to stamp it twice. This way, when I color over top of what I've stamped, you can still see that line art. And I just did this a couple times with the larger branch. Again, this is the Blossoming Branches stamp set and add-on dies. The stamp set comes with 3, the large blossoming branch and the 2 smaller ones, which are coming at different directions. One's coming in from the left, one's coming in from the right. To color in my blossoming branches, I'm using Corrine Pro brush markers. I'm just scribbling a little bit of the color of my choice onto my Magnetic Glass Board Studios glass mat. This serves as my palette for my watercoloring technique. You can see I'm just scribbling a little bit of the color of my choice down right on this glass board. Using this technique, I just add a little bit of water to my brush, and then I just pick up some of this color and I go in with the lighter color first, coloring in my petals and my buds. This is a light purple color, pale violet, I think it's called. And for the sake of time, I'm going to speed this up. If you're not familiar with Stamp Wars, the idea is to have a mystery stamping hour. And it's done once a month over on Nancy Stamp's YouTube channel. And it's sponsored by various stamping companies. Blue Knight Rubber Stamps has been one of our sponsors from the beginning, and we were super excited to have them as our sponsors again. We're very thankful that they were able to supply us with these products so that we can create for you all and show you different examples of how you can use their products. I'm using VersaFine ink to ink my sentiment. And this is from the Encouragement Stamp Set, and it says, "Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away." I'm stamping the sentiment directly onto one of the designer papers from the Pastel Skies. I have an arch-shaped die that I used to die cut the panel. This is actually the card shape is a shape of an arch. And then I just am gluing down 2 of the small branches from the blossoming branches. I also brought in a stamp set that I have from Blue Knights with hummingbirds. I die cut and then stamped the medium-sized hummingbirds. The Hummingbird Stamp Set comes with 3 different size hummingbirds, small, medium, large, and then you can buy the add-on dies if you like. I would highly recommend it because then you can cut out these beautiful hummingbirds and use them on your cards. And who doesn't love a hummingbird, really? And that's it for this card. I am just making sure that my little blossoming branches are adhered firmly and securely to that card panel. And that's card number 1. Card number 2 is a Z-fold card. I'm using the B side or the back side of one of the Misty Moon papers. And I'm trimming this down so that the moon is put on the far right panel of this Z-fold card. I have a little bit of a template here that I'm using as my guide. I know that template is the size of my far right panel. So we have that, and then I'm going to trim it down to 5 1/2 height, and the width is something like 2 3/4 or something. That's why I cut a template so that I could get the right size. Now I'm using up the rest of the paper, so I'm just trimming this, and I'm going to adhere it to the left of my Z-fold card. So what I did was I was the host for Stamp Wars. That means that I worked with our sponsors to pick out the products that we used. I found the special guests to be on the episode. And Nancy and I have a Facebook group called Foiling Snobs Club. We have a longtime subscriber. Her name is Star Patrick. And we actually had the pleasure of meeting her in person at one of our stamps shows that we went to. And she said she would always be willing to be a guest on our show. So we were happy to have her again. And I asked them each to create a fun fold card as one of the sabotages. So here I am doing my follow-up video, and I am making a fun fold card. During our Stamp Wars live on Nancy's YouTube channel, I did not create a live card. I focused instead on monitoring questions and demonstrating techniques that you could use. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue that large blossoming branch that I colored with my Careen markers using a watercolor technique. For the sake of time, I didn't show the entire coloring process. So there's your Z fold. And I'm going to go ahead and glue this smaller blossoming branch to the bottom right corner of my right panel. And if you are interested in using that coupon code, you definitely want to take advantage of that as soon as possible, because the coupon code is for 15% off stamps, dies, and stencils using the coupon code SW26. That coupon code expires midnight Eastern Time, Wednesday, April 29th, 2026. I'm just creating a matte layer for my final piece of this designer paper. I pretty much used the entire sheet of the 6x6 paper. And I'm just going to stamp this encouragement sentiment from the Encouragement Sentiment Stamp Set. And it says, "Don't be afraid to start over again. This time, you're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience." It just fits perfectly on that inside left panel of my fun fold card. We had a really good time on Stamp Wars, and if you check my description box below, I'll have a link to where you can watch the replay. I would encourage you to check that out just to see what beautiful cards Nancy, Al, and Star created during the live Stamp Wars. And remember, I did throw in some sabotages that they had to deal with. One of them was to create a Z-fold card. Now, I'm using the small flying swans from the Silhouette Flying Swans stamp set. The Silhouette Flying Swans come with a large set of the pair of flying swans, as well as the small, and then some grass that you can use as a border on your cards. And so I did have a piece of acetate on my project at this point because I wanted to make sure I got those swans in the right spot. And I'm just using my Misty to stamp them a couple times because I wanted those flying swans to look nice and dark against that pale moon. One more thing I wanted to mention about Stamp Wars, the participants do not know what they're receiving ahead of time. They don't know like who the sponsor is. The mystery guest is kept a mystery until we go live. So that adds another element of surprise. It's just a great fun contest. Here is a photo of my first card completed. I love this pastel sky paper. It reminds me of the sunset over the Smoky Mountains with the blues and the purples. Definitely one of my favorites in the pack. And here is a still photo of my Z-fold card. Here's a photo of both of my cards together. Also, if you would leave a comment below, I am going to be pulling one lucky winner from the comments to receive a complimentary Blossoming Branches stamp set, as well as a handmade card from me, and that is open to U.S. residents age 18 or older. Don't forget to use the coupon. Go ahead and shop over at Blue Knight. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Have a hopeful day. Bye-bye.